Hey guys, Anthem here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today I have a challenge for you guys based around Minecraft Story Mode. So I was actually recently approached to do a sponsored video about Minecraft Story Mode, and I'm like, well, that's Minecraft, that's awesome. What do you have in mind? And what I was challenged to do is to come up with an idea that I could then build myself and then challenge you guys to build something around it. And because I've played Minecraft Story Mode and I know that it's this sort of like awesome narrative game based around the Minecraft universe, and that in episode 1 all the characters wind up going to a thing called EnderCon, I thought, why not build a version of the Redstone Ridiculousness machine that was in Minecraft Story Mode episode 1. By the way, if you guys haven't seen my video on Minecraft Story Mode episode 1, 2, and 3, be sure to check those out in the description below. And as well, if you want to check out the game itself and all that good stuff, be sure to check it out in the description below. But anyways, yeah, I was contacted to do a sponsored video about it, and that's what I came up with. I thought, why not build the Redstone Ridiculousness machine and then challenge you guys to build Redstone Ridiculousness machines that are equally as ridiculous. So there are going to be a couple of restrictions on the machine itself if you guys want to make your own submissions, but I'll be talking about how to make a submission at the end of the video here. But what I want to do is I want to show off the device that I have in front of me here and how just ridiculous it is. And again, I'm really challenging you guys to go super duper ridiculous. So anyways, let's go ahead and let's launch right into this here. So the first thing about this machine that you guys are going to notice is that there are no command blocks in the system. That's going to be the first limitation, is that this must be built with materials that you can gather within survival Minecraft. Now, the bedrock flooring here, I could make that be obsidian. It doesn't matter. I'm not really counting the flooring, but basically the idea with this machine is it has one activation switch and then it's just a noisemaker slash spectacle machine. So the device that I have in front of me here is, I believe, in a 7x7 area. So all of the blocks themselves, like the whole area that I built this on is 9x9, and the actual everything is within a 7x7 area, with the exception of this button here. But anyways, as you can see, everything is nicely contained within this area here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the button and show you guys the machine in action here. Yeah. And then animals explode and stuff. And there's actually a rare chance that TNT can wind up flying out of that mess as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fire this one more time. Maybe see if TNT will fly out from the middle this time. Allow you to see this from a different angle. Come on, TNT. Yeah, there we go. Bang. And then we get ourselves a final fireworks explosion of awesomeness. So anyways, I'm going to go through this machine sort of step by step and let you guys know what's going on with this machine. So first things first, that you probably heard is that there are a ton of note blocks within this machine. Pretty much when I was done building this machine, I thought to myself, how can I make it more ridiculous? And what I came up with is taking every single available piece of redstone, placement where I could actually place a note block and have it work. I decided to place a note block and just choose random notes for it. So that's pretty much the majority of this machine. That's where pretty much the majority of the noise comes from. So another thing that's going on as well, when I go ahead and hit the button, you might notice that there are fireworks flying all over the place here, and they actually fly off in really random directions. And the way that you're able to do that is, I'm not sure if you guys know, in at least PC Minecraft, if you have water flowing in a certain direction and you have fireworks go into that water, it will actually cause the firework to then jet out in the direction that the water is flowing. It's not even subtle. Like you guys saw, one of the fireworks blew up in this direction over here. So yeah, that's something that you can do. So pretty much most of the fireworks dispensers that I have, I tried to place water and whatnot to try and get them to flow somewhere, but quite a few of them do get blocked by the blocks that are all around here. But for the most part, they all flow somewhere, just because I thought it would be ridiculous and awesome. So I decided to do that. So you can see, look, like water is flowing everywhere, but like the firework that like launches here will just never escape. This one will never escape. All the ones on this side escape, which is why you see so many explosions on the right side of the machine. So anyways, when you hit the button, quite a few things happen. Pretty much everything that I explained, but the main spectacle is obviously the TNT explosion launching the mobs up into the air. And the way that I do that is, once you hit the button, it pretty much immediately activates these dispensers that have TNT in them. And then the whole redstone signal, I think, goes around the back or something like that, as you can, well, kind of see here. Oh no, the way that it works is that I press this button, this activates the dispensers, then this redstone signal travels upwards here, and then it travels this way, and it gets super duper delayed to the point where when these ones activate that have the mobs and the TNT and them on the top, it will be precisely at the point where the TNT on the bottom explodes, launching these things way up into the air. So that's pretty cool. And then beyond that, I have some more ridiculousness going on. So on this next level up here, let's see. Yeah, from this layer right here, I also have like these pistons that are like doing crazy things. Some of the pistons are pushing diamond blocks because diamond blocks are awesome and it's super amazing spectacle and whatnot. And if you have a machine built in survival Minecraft that has diamond blocks, I applaud you. So yeah, but anyway, so diamond blocks get pushed all around just because. Another thing that I decided to do was place these sticky pistons that push slime blocks that then push, well, I don't think the slime blocks are necessary, but then they push sand blocks. And the reason why it does that, because the sand blocks go up, and then when they fall down a block at a time. And I thought, you know, for the spectacle of it, why not have it do that? You know, just whatever. You know, no real problems. And then there's more of the diamond block piston things on the right side. And that's pretty much the whole machine, actually. I don't think there's too much more to it other than that. But one thing I do want to point out is that I tried my very best and was successful, that I didn't want any blocks within this area besides the ones that are directly next to the dispensers here. Because if a piece of TNT gets launched into the air, there's a low % chance that it can get caught on a block if it's like directly above these dispensers underneath me. And it'll cause the TNT to fall onto the contraption and explode. Luckily, that didn't happen to me, but it almost did. But I was ready for it to happen, so I like killed the TNT block before it could explode. So anyways, ones that are, you know, within this area, like not directly above the dispensers and not within these corners as well, it's all good to go. So anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and let's fire the machine off again and see just how ridiculous it is. So yeah, let's do this. So yeah, you can see the sand is doing its thing. It's falling, launching mobs up and down. I wish I had put more cows into the machine because I really don't like Minecraft cows. They're way too loud. It's now raining, but whatever. Bam. Like, there we go. That TNT is just, it was no match for anything. So yeah. But anyways, I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to cover in this video. But now on to the challenge. First, let me go ahead and let me do time set day. Our time set day and weather clear. There we go. So now to the challenge. I challenge you guys to build a machine that is more ridiculous than this, that fits within the constraints that I've built this in. So what I'm actually going to do is, just for, you know, the legality of it, I'm going to move that button right there. And my goal for you is to build a machine that is ridiculous like this within, you know what? Yeah, a 7x7 area. So it can be as tall as you want. However, you need to be able to showcase the whole machine without explaining it. Just showcase the machine in action within a 30-second video. And then what you can do is you can send that to me. I'll have information in the description below as to how to properly send the video to me. But yeah, so bam. So yeah, you'll just show off the machine in a 30-second or less video, and then I'll showcase some of my favorites in a future video coming up in, I think, like a week and a half. I don't actually have the exact date on me, but again, all that information is going to be in the description below as to what you're going to need, contest details and whatnot, just for the fun of it, and I'll be showing off some of my favorites in a future video. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to do it for me for now. Let's go ahead and let's fire this machine off once more. You know what? I'm going to put a button right here because why not? Bam. That works. So yeah, you can really see all this piston machinery stuff working. This is an amazing machine. Just saying, it's probably the greatest machine I've ever created. Just throwing that out there. It's so ridiculous. I want more TNT to launch, but TNT is the least likely thing to launch because there's only, you know, one TNT spot. Yeah. Alright, anyways, guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. My name is Zenfed. I'm going to launch this one more time. And I bid you all farewell, guys. Yeah, there we go. And thanks so much for watching.